Hi everyone, let me introduce about myself. This is Shankar Nayak, computer science and engineering student. Now today's topic is counting binary trees. Before going to our topic, first we know some basic concepts. Those are what is the binary tree? What is the use of binary tree? What is the formation of binary tree? How it performs in data structures. So we know first what is the binary tree. In computer science, binary tree is a tree data structures which as the node has at most two children. They are referred as left child and right child. A topmost in the tree is called root, and the besides of nodes is called children's. They are called as a left child and right child. The left child and the right child connected with the root also known as the children's parent. It is the children's parent. For example, see the picture here. A is the root. A is the root and B and C are the children of A. So B and C are connected with A. Next, here B also known as left child, C also known as right child. Here E and D's parent is B. E and D's parents is B. These E and D also known as siblings of B. This is the basic picture of binary tree. The next one is formation of binary tree. Formation of binary tree, how it form? First, data. Here data is the center one, and then here left child and here right child. This is the formation. First data and then left child, right child. A binary tree is either empty or consists of nodes called root together with two binary trees called the left subtree and right subtree. Binary tree is a very important topic in data structures as well as it a easy topic in data structures. The next one is type of binary trees. Type of binary trees. There are two types, full tree and complete tree. A full tree is a binary tree in which each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. The root node have 2 or 1 as well as 0 also is there. The next one is a complete binary tree is a binary tree which is a complete filled with the possible of the bottom level which is filled from left to right. So here the complete binary tree is filled from left to right, and then the pictures are like this: full tree and binary complete tree. A complete binary tree is a very special tree. It provides the best position possible ratio between the number of nodes and their height. Before going to concept, first we know advantage of trees. What is the advantage? What are the advantages in tree? These are the advantages. Trees are so useful and frequently used because they have some very serious advantages. Trees reflect structural relationship in the data. Trees provide an efficient insertion and searching. Trees are very flexible data, allowing to move subtrees around with minimum effect. Binary tree is a special data structures used to data storage purposes. In this binary tree concept, first we know the syntax of binary tree. This is the syntax of binary tree. First here struct node is perform. Here data is entered. Struct node left child, struct node right child. This is the syntax of binary tree. So let's start our concept. Counting nodes in a binary tree recursively. So the introduction is, there are three things we can count: the total number of nodes, the number of leaf nodes, the number of internal nodes. First, counting all nodes. How to count all nodes? Here the important note is the root add 1 plus itself. So see here, unsigned int binary tree count recursive count b node, unsigned count. Here root unsigned int count 1 if root left is not equal to null. If root left is not equal to null, count plus binary count recursive root left. And then if root right not null, then also count binary tree count recursive count right. Here return count. So then finally unsigned int count equal to 0 if tree root not equal to null, then count binary tree recursively. Then finally the total number of nodes are counted. Then another one is counting leaf node. How to count leaf nodes? Here the unsigned int count is 0. So if root left is equal to null, root right is equal to null, then also the leaf, it called as a leaf node. What is the leaf node? First, the root left and the root right node when it as a null. So count 1, and then else it is not equal to null, then don't count it. So and then finally the roots are counted, the nodes are counted, then finally leaf nodes are added to first one. So the same thing counting internal nodes. Without leaf nodes, there are all the nodes are called as internal nodes. So it is also a easy concept. See here. So I am explain in with the help of diagram also. See here, counting nodes. How to count nodes? Here see, this structure is known as binary tree. We know this structure is binary tree. Here 1 is called as root, 2 and 6 are called as children's, and then 2 and 6 are called also siblings. Here how to count? First we start from here, because of it a leaf node from the left side. So here nodes, count nodes. There is no roots, then count nodes are zeros because of it is a leaf node. Then what is the formula? Value of right side plus value of left side plus 1. So let's count here. What is the value of right? 0, and then left 0, and then plus 1. So here added plus 1, and then go to 2. Here left side, left node is 0, and then write explore 4, and then here n 0 left side, and then write explore here 5, then here 5 it is a leaf node, then n0 and then n0. So same formula, then add here 1, then it goes to 4. Here right side n is 1, so here n is 1, and then count 0 plus 1 plus 1, so plus 2 is here, then here plus 4, and then go to 1, and then here n 0, and then right side go to 6, explore 6. Here left side and right sides are 0 because of it a leaf node, then it goes to here plus 1 here, then the final answer is 4 plus 1 plus 1, then 6 is the answer. Count here 1 2 3 4 5 6, then total number of nodes are 6. The final one is counting leaf nodes. So here first we understand those conditions here. When if root of left equal to null and root right also null, then return 1. Here another condition also is there. If root is equal to null, then return 0. So start here, from here it is a null nodes, so plus 1, and then come here, go to right, and then here. So here also nulls, then count 1, and then here there is no null, so it is count 1 here also, both are 2 plus 2, and then go to 1 here also, then go to 6, here nulls are 0 here, so plus 1, and then finally is value of right plus value of left is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then the leaf nodes are 3. Here 3, 5, 6. These are leaf nodes. So this is our concept. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.